Here is how you can update contacts in a Google account on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. So let's get started. If you are new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we start by getting inside of our contacts app as usual, like this, and you can browse all of them. You probably see a list of all of your people contacts in here, but if you click on the top left arrow like that, you can manage the different accounts. So I either see all of them or the iCloud account. So I don't really see the Google account or Google contacts in there. So let's fix that first. So I can leave the contacts and open up the settings app where, as you can see, we are on the same or like the main page. And at the bottom entirely, we have the all apps mode. Part of this, if you keep on scrolling, you can find the contacts as such. And I want you to go to the accounts because you can see I have the iCloud, which I could see inside of the app, and also Gmail, right? So if I tap on Gmail, you can see that it's only turned on for email and not for contacts, right? So I'm going to enable it for contacts as well. I'm going to have to log in once again. And now, as you can see, I am inside. I can continue with this, right? Just click on add and give me the ability to access the contacts on my devices. You can see the contacts are now ready and set up. So if I leave the settings, now as you can see inside of the contacts, I also have the Gmail contacts like this. And I can get inside and create a new one or manage those which are only in the Google account. So this is the possibility which I'm talking about. As you can see, I have the option to set one Google contact and save it into the Gmail. It's going to appear in all of the contacts as well, but you can see I have the iCloud as well as Gmail. So the point is, if you want to manage and update the contacts in Google account, you have to find it in here and you can manage those and perform some changes to them, whatever. So as you can see, it is separated like that. And as I've shown you in the settings and contacts, you have to make sure that you are signed into a Gmail account and have the contacts enabled. And that's how you will be able to manage them. So I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. That is the whole principle behind it. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.